Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying permissions. Make sure you are a Databricks workspace admin and Git integration is allowed. Next, generate a GitHub personal access token, giving repo and admin hook access. This token is what Databricks will use. Once done, copy the workspace URL, target repo name, branch, and your GitHub username into a secure note. Now open Databricks user settings. We'll add the token and pick the repo. This begins the connection process immediately. You now link the repository inside Databricks. Go to User Settings, select Git Integration, choose GitHub, and paste the personal access token you created. Then open Workspace, select Repos, and click Add Repo. Enter the repo URL and branch name. Once added, Databricks will clone the repo into your workspace. Make sure the file tree appears and you can open a notebook. If you can commit changes from Databricks, you've completed the main configuration steps. Finish by testing a full round trip. Edit a notebook, stage, commit, and push from Databricks. Then confirm the commit on GitHub. If you need automation, add GitHub actions to the repo for CI or deployments. If something breaks, first verify token scopes and expiration, then check branch protection rules that might block pushes, and finally confirm Databricks Workspace Network or firewall settings allow outbound GitHub access. If the token failed, regenerate it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.